Now let me explain how to fix the export issue in CapCut. First, as you can see here, the problem often relates to memory. Always check your storage and consider restarting your project. The export issue in CapCut is usually related to memory, so always check your storage and consider restarting your project. Now, let's try restarting your project carefully to see if that resolves the issue. If it still doesn't work, then please consider trying another method. You should consider restarting both CapCut and your phone. Additionally, carefully check if you have enough storage space available on your device to resolve the issue. You need to clear some space on your device, as this is very important. After doing that, if nothing changes, let's explore other options. If you're having trouble, as you can see here, try simplifying your project by removing heavy effects or other elements. Here are some elements you might not need, such as effects or certain frames. Now let's try simplifying your project after this. When you click on Export, as you can see here, try selecting lower resolutions like 720p or even 480p instead of 1080p or 4K for better results. Set the resolution to 720p and instead of 60 fps, choose 30 fps. This should help resolve your export issues. Thank you for watching and good luck to everyone. Goodbye all.